Question paper 2025 semester 2 under CCF, University of Calcutta, Python programming and Latex, mathematics honors B.Sc, paper ACC 2.1. This is the question paper we answer, and this block is the programming, and this is the output. Programming and this output. Here, this question 1C, write the output of the following code. So you write only the output. Here, the number is 3, marks is 3. So short expression must be given. This is the question 1D and so on. This is the English programming, and this is the output is the, and this is the expression. In this question 2E, write the output of the following Python codes. So write only the output here. Question 1, question 2E1, 2E2, and 2E3. Skip the following if preferred. The details explanation and this. Thank you. And the PDF of this paper is given in the description box.